Net Park, 0.4 miles.
You'll arrive in 1,000 feet.
1,000 feet.
Campground check-in. Next left.
You've arrived in your
There's a
destination.
parrot tree.
Let's see where is the next left, Anko. So we are inside that state park now.
Okay.
Avitra kon signal asuni kire.
Left.
Where is the next
Papa?
left? Yes.
I see the next left.
Now go to
This the one?
Where's the next left, Papa? Is it that one?
That is where you check in.
Oh, this is the weird oak thing you had on your notepad. What? What is the campground is called? What? Oh. I don't have a notepad.
Here we arrive at the check-in. Lane to lane for units high, gate code required. Check-in information, visitor information here. Maryland vehicles, $3 weekends, holidays weekend.
Hi, how are you?
Hello, ma'am.
Checking in?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Do you have the site number or last name?
Site number is
170.
184.
184?
Yeah.
Sounds
Yeah.
good. I'll get you your things. Can I have the last name?
Gudu, G-U-D-U.
Is it a party of two?
Yeah, 2 cars.
Oh, how many people at party?
Two adults, 4 adults,
4?
and 3 kids.
All right, so the car behind you is with you as well?
Yes.
Okay. All right, and I'm going to write them up a hang tag just so they have it.
Sure.
All right, so have you been with us before?
Nope, first time.
Alright, well, welcome to Elkhart State Park. Here's that part. It looks like you're in the Bohemia Loop. To get to the Bohemia Loop, all you gotta do is take this road all the way down.
Okay.
So you see past the park store, which is the road on the left, which is Rustic Cabin Road. Take that all the way down, and that's where Bohemia Loop is at.
I hope I'll
After,
find it.
Looks like you guys are checking out Sunday. Does that sound correct?
Sunday, yes.
And so since it is a camp site, we do ask that you're out of here by 1 p.m. on that checkout date.
Okay.
And I'm just going to go over the rules for you real quick. There's no alcohol allowed. Quiet hours are from 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. You are in a non-pet friendly area, so if you see a pet on or off a leash, please let a ranger know. We're happy to help you out with that.
No pet area, that is right?
Yeah, no pet on
Right.
any kind on that loop.
Right.
Yep. And then our park store, which is up here to the left, is only open today. So only open on Fridays, 3 to 9.
Okay.
However, we do offer firewood and ice outside of it 24/7. Cash or check, $5 for a bundle of firewood, and then $2.50 for ice in case you ever need that.
Right.
And we even have essentials in here if you ever want to check it out. We sell those out anytime besides Fridays. If you're gonna have a fire, just make sure it's in the rings that we provide for you and tend to at all times.
Firewood is there in timing? What time we can?
For fires, you can do fires at any time, but
No,
just make sure they're
The firewood.
firewood. Oh no, you can do that at any time
And,
too.
okay.
It would be outside the park store.
Right,
for
right.
you.
Got it.
Yep. And then cash or check for any of that.
Okay. And you said about the quiet hours. Actually, I want to photograph at like 1 o'clock or 1:30. Is that
Yeah.
fine if I can?
So as just long as you're not making too much noise, you should be all right.
No, I'll be silent.
Absolutely. Then you're all good to go.
Okay.
All right. You have a great time.
Thank you.
Take care.
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ
ସିଏ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦବ
photograph things loudly. Mama, wait करो से आसु.
ହଁ
Mama, आनला?
ହଁ
Mama, हाँ. How do you photograph things loudly?
ओके से कोटा को लुपटा हमर छवि
हमारे
विल गो स्ट्रेट
देखो इधर.
गो स्ट्रेट कहलवा लेफ्ट नबो so we have to take which road is that mu padi drive kariya
What is it? I saw a park right near us.
okay I think what is this road
Here. It's a park with purple, green. It's called a rustic cabin.
rustic
cabin.
okay this one I think rustic cabin here
Is auntie right behind us? Yes.
Anku you got swimming Anku there are kids playing I think you're gonna like it see you got swing and everything here
I want to go to the swing.
we should have bought a basketball I think there is a basketball court but we will play football okay which one
चलो सीधा चलो.
सीधा कितना नंबर कैंप ग्राउंड
हमर 184 फुट.
एपट रे
हां. बैक करनो. The bug.
184 था
I know, but that makes you realize that there are way too many bugs going to be happy here. So you don't like it here?
that's where the 184 Bohemia
Papa,
it should be here right we are in the entrance right
yeah, but
that's there 184
Eat.
is that 184
Yes.
what,
Really?
what you choose can we change it
No.
can we go and check if 186 we can take
ते आगु गला
जा कथा तांका सहित 184
ये 1 ना ये 185 हो जाए
ना এটা 185 and this is 184
कार कोड पार्क हो
car I don't know we'll see we'll ask but तांको no तांको पचार दिया से can we change it to 186
सेटा देखी गया साउ के नहीं छोड़ा
because 184 is too it's not that good देख ओले की देखि लगे असेसमेंट कर